Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to enable a passcode in the Dropbox app on your phone. If you want to protect your files and add an extra layer of security to your Dropbox account, this quick guide is for you. First, open the Dropbox app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the account icon. Then, in the top right corner of the account screen, tap on the settings icon. Now, scroll down through the settings menu until you find the option called Configure Passcode. Tap on Configure Passcode. You'll be taken to a new screen where you can turn on the passcode feature. After that, you'll be asked to enter a 4-digit passcode of your choice. Choose a number you can remember, but that isn't easy for others to guess. Once you've entered the passcode, you'll need to re-enter it to confirm. Finally, after confirming the passcode, it will be activated. From now on, you'll need to enter this passcode whenever you open the Dropbox app, helping to keep your files more secure. And that's it. Now you've successfully enabled a passcode on the Dropbox app. It's a simple step that adds valuable protection to your data. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.